And then we're going to make our sauce. The sauce, we have already a duck jus we make from the duck bone, but we're going to use the pan also, clear chicken stock, and then the duck jus, and then we strain back into the pot. And why we strain? To get all those little black points. We don't want them in the sauce. So how to prepare the pear? So we have a raw pear. So we'll cut it to about half centi, 1 centi thickness. And then we take a round cutter and we take out the core. And this we will pan fry with a little bit butter and some honey. Some fresh butter, medium fire, put our pear. So when we start to get a little bit color like this, then we can put the honey inside. So now you can see both sides already have a nice color. My pear already a little bit soft also, so that's what we're looking. A little bit soft but not too mushy. And so this we put now on the side, ready for plating. When we're ready for serving, we make everything hot. So we start with our duck breast, put it back skin side first in a warm pan, and we go back in the oven.